Alright guys, this is what it looks like when it's lit up. So this is going to give us a good indicator on how we want to mount it. So as you mount it on your wall, it's going to look even cooler. I'll show you guys once we mount it on our wall. It looks nicer on the wall. So yeah, we want to see how we're going to mount this, because even though we're using clear tape, I want to mount it directly on the back of the lines. So let's see. Alright guys, so this is how we have it. Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we are checking out this neon sign. Now they have many styles. You can check out their brand and the listing to set this up in our gaming office. So let's get unboxing and show you guys what you get. Woo, yeah. Oh, that's awesome. It comes with an on-off switch. I wasn't sure if it did or not. That makes it a lot nicer. So guys, this is it. Be careful when you're taking off the plastic. The LED light looks like, or either the light or the power cable runs back here. So when you're taking this off, just slowly peel apart the plastic. Don't break the line. All right, this is it. So as you guys can see, it's fairly big. You know, I have a medium-sized hand and it's pretty big. You have mounting holes here. They also do provide you with this for hanging as well. So you can hang it with that. There's only one here. So I don't think, oh no, there's two. All right, so you guys could put screws through it, or you can hang it like this. And basically, let's see if we can get this. Basically, you pull this back here, you line that up, and you stick this like that, and then you can put it on the wall. Or you guys can do what I'm about to do, and I only recommend doing what I'm about to do if you guys plan on doing this as a permanent position. So I like using double-sided tape. This is lightweight, so we can go ahead and run the tape and mount this on our wall with the double-sided tape, and it will stay there forever. But this is going to be just as strong for you guys. If it's a temporary thing, or you want to be able to position it or change it up, then definitely use what they give you. All right guys, so this is how we have it. I think you can see the wire a lot more this way, but this is how it's supposed to be. So that is normally on the left side, and the circles are the buttons, which would indicate that it would be on the right side. You can mount it either way. I've seen people mount it both ways. It looks good both ways, but correct as far as, you know, a real controller. You always have your, well, as you guys can see, you know, we got a Nintendo controller here. You always have this analog on the other side and all of this stuff on the other side. So that's how we ran it. We're going to be doing clouds like we did everywhere else. So it's going to be covered by clouds. It's going to look really cool. So overall, guys, I love it. Definitely really cool. And that's even with lights on. So we have lights all over, and it's still super bright. So I'm pretty excited to complete this project. But overall, guys, I love it.